Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, Mastering Languages, where this process becomes smart, easy and fun. So we finally arrived to French Lesson 2, and if you didn't watch French Lesson 1, be sure to check it before this one. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how can you read French words easily. So as a start, we learned in the previous video all the alphabet, but all we have to do is to know how to pronounce it exactly. So first, I'm gonna start with A. A is like A in art. For example, arbre, which means tree, and we learned that before. Aroma, which means aroma, and armoire, which means wardrobe. Arbre, aroma, armoire. Then let's move to B. B, it's like B in baby. We have bébé, which means baby. We have bleu, which obviously means blue. We have ballon, which means balloon. C. C is like C in certain. Cèdre, which means cedar. Certain, which means certain. Cérémonie, which means ceremony. D, like D in dragon. Dragon, which means dragon. Daniel, which is a name. Double, which means double. Dragon, Daniel, double. E. E is like the E in egg. Elle, which means she. Écorce, which means peel. And écran, which means screen. So we have elle, écorce, écran. F. F is like the F in fun. We have forme, flamme, face. Forme means form, flamme means flame, face means face. Forme, flamme, face. G, like G in giraffe. On a girafe. Génie, which means genius. Génération, which means generation. So we have girafe, génie, génération. H doesn't have a sound. So we have hôpital, not hôpital, hôpital, herbe, horrible. Hôpital means hospital, herbe means herb, horrible means horrible. E, E like I in ear. We have île, which means island, il, which means he, idée, which means idea. Il, idée. J, like J in Jack. We have je, which means I. We have jaune, which means yellow, and joli, which means beautiful. Je, jaune, joli. K. K like K in kick. We have kiwi, kilo, koala. L like L in lemonade. We have le, which means the, limonade, which means lemonade, loupe, which means magnifying glass. Le, limonade, loupe. M like M in master. We have monstre, montre, manche. Monstre means monster, montre means watch, mange means eat. N. N like N in no. Non, which means no. Noir, which means black. Ninja, which means a ninja. O, like O in orange. Orange, which means orange. Olive, which means olive. Obstacle, which means obstacle. Orange, olive, obstacle. P, like P in poor. Pauvre, which means poor. Pomme, which means apple. Plage, which means beach. Pauvre, pomme, plage. Q, like Q in quality. We have qualité, which means quality. We have question, which means question. We have quatre, which means four. Qualité, question, quatre. R, like R in roll. Roule, which means roll. Raisin, which means grape. Retour, which means return. Roule, raisin, retour. We have S, like S in sun. Soleil means sun. Soupe means soup. Surprise means surprise. Soleil, soupe, surprise. T, like T in table. Table, which means table. Tableau, which means board. Travail, which means work. Table, tableau, travail. U, like urne, une, urgence. Urne means urn. Une means a. Urgence means emergency. V, like V in voice. Voiture, which means car. Vase, which means vase. Vase, which means vase. Voiture, valse, vase. W, like W in war, Zimbabwe. X, like X in xylophone. We have xylophone. Y, like Y in yogurt. We have yaourt, which means yogurt, and we have yoga. Yaourt, yoga. Z, like Z in zebra. We have zèbre, which means zebra, and zoo, which means zoo. Zèbre, zoo. Now let's take a look at some other combinations that are so important for you. O, like auprès. Auprès means nearby. Et, like aimer, which means to love. Ou, like roue, which means a wheel. Oie, like oiseau, which means a bird. Ch, like cheminée, which means a chimney. Ouille, like rouille, which means rust. Gn, gagner, which means win. Aille, like travail, which means work. Sion or tion, like question, représentation, which means question, and representation. E, like œuvre, which means an artwork. Long or ion, like ballon, papillon, which means balloon and butterfly. O, like bateau, which means a boat. Q, like qualité, which means quality. Let's not forget to memorize this chart. I know it's a big one, but I will give you some time to memorize it, and it's kind of easy because all the words are almost the same. Like cérémonie, ceremony, dragon, dragon, double, double. What else? Certain, certain. Bleu, blue. Aroma, aroma. Flamme, flame. Face, face. So it's almost the same. And I will give you 2 weeks for memorizing this one so we can move to the next level. So I will show you the table. You can screen capture it, or you can just write it down on a paper and memorize it. And that's everything for today. I hope it wasn't tough for you. And see you next week in my first relaxation video. Good luck for you guys. Courage. Au revoir.